Hi, now this is an extra video about coded data. We have two more questions. Okay, now the first one, the values of x given in the table on the left have a standard deviation of 0.88. Find the standard deviation of the values of y. Okay, and please notice that all frequencies the same. Both x and y. So our frequency is the same, and we should find the relationship to between x and y. And if you notice that the x value 2 and the y value 7, x value 2, y value 7, and the x value 4 and opposite the y value 13, x value 6, and y value is 19. And we can say 7 is 3 3 multiply 2 plus 1, and 13 means 3 multiply 4 plus 1, and 19 means 3 multiply 6 plus 1. And also we can say all y values is a threefold x values plus 1. And they give us this standard deviation of x value is 0.88. The standard deviation of x value is 0.88. And they want us the standard deviation of y. And standard deviation of y means standard deviation of 3x plus 1. And please remember that the standard deviation of 3x plus 1 means 3 multiply standard deviation standard deviation of x. So 3 multiply 0.88. 0.88. So it means 200 240 64 and 2.64. Okay, and then the other question, the lengths of 45 ropes used and an outdoor recreational center can be extended by 30% when stretched. The sum of the squares of their stretched lengths is 0.0507 kilometers square, and their natural lengths, x meters, are summarized. The sum of x minus 20 square 1200. Find the mean natural length of these 45 ropes. Natural length. The natural length denoted by x, and the stretched is 30%. And please remember that the ropes here and denoted by x, and the stretch 30%. The stretch 30% means like here, and 30% is is I can show that here. And 30%. So this means becomes x plus x multiply 30%. So it means 13x over 10. So 30x over 10. So and then these sum of the squares of straight lengths is here. The sum of squares of their straight lengths means the sum of 30 10x square means 0.0507 kilometer square, and it also means 50,700 meters square, and it means 169 over 10 square x square means 50,700 meter square. Okay, and please notice that I write this here. For example, 3x means 3 multiply x1, 3x2, 3x3 plus and 3xn, and I can write 3-fold x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus and xn, and I can write 3 multiply the sum of x. So we can carry the 3 here. Okay, and this section we can carry 169 over 100, carry behind the in front of the sum of sign, and 169 over 3 multiply the sum of x square means 50,700 meter square. And then I want to find the sum of x square. So 50,700 over 169 multiply 100 30,000. The sum of x square is 30,000. Okay, now it stayed there, and then they give us the sum of x minus 20 square. The sum of x minus 20 square means 1,200. 1,200, and we have 45 ropes. So the number of ropes or frequency 245, and we should think that variance, because we have the sum of x square and the sum of x minus 20 square. So we should think that the variance. Please remember that the variance of x minus 20 also the same the variance of x. The variance of x. So the variance, the sum of x minus 20 square over n minus the mean of x minus 20, the mean of x minus 20 square, and the sum of x square over n minus the mean of x, the mean of x square, the mean of x square. And please remember that if we say the mean of x here, so the mean of x minus 20 becomes here. Okay, and this section equals to 1200 here over 45 minus this is the mean of x minus 20, the mean of x minus 20 square, the sum of x square 30,000 over 45 minus the mean of x square, minus the mean of x square, and then we can carry out this value, the other sign of the other equal sign, and this value can carry out the sign, the other sign of the left of sign, equal sign, or like here, or this and this, and the sum of x, the mean of x square minus the mean of x minus 20 square means 30,000 over 45 minus 1020, 1200 over 45. And please remember that this section, the mean of x square minus the mean of x square minus 40, the mean of x plus 40, 400, and the mean of x square minus the mean of x square plus 40, the mean of x minus 400 means here 30,000 minus 1200 over 45, 640, 640, and if we if we 400 carry out the other sign, and this is cancelled, and 40, the mean of x becomes 1040, and the mean of x means 1040 over 40 means 26, and they want us find the mean natural length of these 45 rows. So the mean natural length 26. Okay, this extra video finished, and have a good lesson.